Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. A significant development emerged from Jakarta last week, creating immediate challenges for global medical device manufacturers. Indonesia's Ministry of Health abruptly expanded its local content requirement, known as TKDN, to include a new range of Class B and C diagnostic imaging equipment. This policy, which mandates that at least 40% of a product's components be sourced locally, became effective immediately upon announcement. This is not a distant goal. It is the new reality on the ground today. This sudden policy shift disrupts the core strategy for many foreign companies that have historically dominated this segment of the Indonesian market. The definition of local content is broad, encompassing not just raw materials and assembly, but also aspects like local labor costs, research conducted in Indonesia, and even the use of local service providers. For high-tech medical devices, achieving a 40% threshold without a pre-existing local supply chain is a monumental task. The immediate effectivity date is the critical pain point here. It bypasses typical grace periods, creating a state of compliance crisis. Consider the case of a German firm that specializes in portable ultrasound systems. After spending nearly 2 years and significant capital to secure regulatory approval for their latest model, their market access is now frozen. Their newly granted registration is effectively invalid until they can prove 40% TKDN. This company now faces a stark choice: either pull out of the market, attempt a rushed and risky joint venture with an unvetted local partner, or commit to a multi-million-dollar investment in local manufacturing facilities. This move highlights a growing trend of economic nationalism that complicates the broader ASEAN goal of market harmonization under the Medical Device Directive, or AMDD. While the AMDD aims to create a single, predictable regulatory environment, individual member states like Indonesia are simultaneously implementing protectionist measures to bolster their domestic industries. This creates a fragmented and unpredictable landscape. For MedTech companies, this means that a successful ASEAN strategy requires more than just a great product. It demands deep, on-the-ground regulatory intelligence and a highly adaptable supply chain. Navigating this complex environment is a strategic challenge that requires expert guidance. For more insights on how to build a resilient market access strategy in the ASEAN region, feel free to email us or visit Pure Global online.